Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the fob on the F-350. So if you've got this flip key, looks like this when it's not flipped out. First thing you'll need to do is actually flip this out. And this was used from 2017 on in the 350 Super Duty. And the key here is there's a small indentation about right there if you're looking at the base here. And there's a little notch there. So if you have a small flathead screwdriver, if you can get into that notch right there and apply some leverage, you can pop off the back here. So if you see that notch right there, see that? See, that's where you got to get in with your flathead to pop off this back. Once you have this off, you can get access to the battery here that we need to change. And this is a CR2032 3-volt battery. Woo! Kind of goes flying there. And when you get a new one of these, just make sure that you have the positive side facing towards you. The positive side is the side with the lettering on it and the plus sign. So go ahead and put a new one of those back in there, and then you can pop this back right on, and that's it. So that's how you change the fob battery on the Ford F-350 flip key fob.